Welcome back everybody. So today we're doing a bowl called the Knuckle Buster. I'm going to start with the Pro Size number 1 hollower from Easy Wood Tools. This is a bowl made from very Spalted Sycamore. There's the mid-size finisher. And back to the Pro Size number 1 hollower. Alright, so we turned ourselves to the full size rougher now. It really eats the wood. Great tool. There's the mid-size detailer there, just defining the details of the truck. There's the number 1 hollower, the mid-size one. And the mid-size finisher to bring it down to final shape. Okay, now we're all done with the outside of the bowl, and now we're going to get to the inside, where you'll get a good glimpse on why we call it the Knuckle Buster. There you go. Look at all them stumps hanging off the outside of the bowl. Alright, we're going to start with a mid-size number 1 hollower. Because of the big chunks hanging off the side, the camera was having a bit of trouble focusing, but we soon got past that. Okay, we've gone to the Pro Size number 1 hollower again.
They tell us what to do, they tell us what to think.
We're working at taking out that not so little nubbin in the middle.
Use your eyes and you will see we are right where we wanna be. Nothing else really matters. They tell us what to do.
There we go, bye bye. Now we can get to hollowing out the rest of the bowl.
Use your eyes and you will see we are right where we wanna be. Nothing else really matters. To see that we are young and helpless.
There you go, there's the full size rougher again, just flattening off the bottom, right down to the depth of the bowl. And that's the number 3 hollower, that's the Pro Size one.
What to do, they tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness? Use your eyes
Just taking the final pass of it now. There we go. Now we're going to get the Dremel 8260 and we're going to do a little bit of carving just around that big nubbin. There we go. So I've already done most of the sanding, but now we're going to go up to 320 grit with the drill. I wasn't going to put my hands in there with that spinning around, so that's why I went with the drill. Just getting rid of the sawdust with a brush there. Okay, there's some Hampshire Sheen food and toy safe Danish oil. If anyone would like to purchase any Hampshire Sheen products, there's a link down in the description so you can do that. They obviously do oils, waxes, sanding sealers, colours, the world's your oyster. So like I say, link down in the description. There will be pictures at the end. Remember, if you like this video, please remember, hit that thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. Thank you once again for watching the video, and until the next one, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.